How to buy the Sandbox crypto on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the Sandbox crypto on Etoro easy and fast. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro and this is the home page. Now if you want to buy Sandbox, go to the watch list right here and then you will find all the cryptos here, and here is the Sandbox. If you didn't find it, you can add it from here or search for it here, then click on it like this and choose trade. Choose the amount of money that you want to invest. For example, I'm gonna invest $11,000 and click open trade. Now I just invested $11,000 on the Sandbox and I'm gonna find it here in my portfolio. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.